around Henry's How-Tos, I'm going to show you how to make garlic saffron prawns. Let's get straight into it. Alright guys, so I'm going to do this recipe based on about 250 grams of prawns, or shrimp if you call it. So these are already deveined and tailed and shelled. So what we're going to do now is just using a sharp knife, we just want to butterfly these. So just run your knife along, just to butterfly them like that. Now you don't have to do this, but it does make them look nicer. So we'll just do that with all of them. Alright, so let's move on to our stove. So just into a pan on a medium to high heat, we'll add about 3 tablespoons of olive oil. So guys, once your oil's nice and hot, we'll add in our prawns. And we're going to add about 6 crushed garlic cloves. And we'll just season with about a teaspoon of salt. And we're adding some cracked pepper. And we just want to cook for a couple of minutes. So you don't want to cook prawns slowly. You got to cook it in a constant heat so it stays nice and soft. Okay, we're getting a nice colour on that. So what I'm going to do is add in 50 grams of butter, and we'll add in 2 tablespoons of saffron water. Mix that together, let that butter melt. And I'm just going to add in a tablespoon of fresh parsley. Let's put some colour. Toss that through. And we're ready to serve. Turn the heat off. And we'll just place it into a nice bowl. Now don't go throwing all that out. Look at all that flavour and butter. That's our sauce. So let's add that on. And in my case, I'm just going to add some crusty bread on the side. Just like that. And that's all there is to it. So in my case, I've served this more as an appetizer or an entree. But if you want to do this as a main, easy. Add some rice next to it, add some couscous. You can serve it up with a nice salad as well. Endless possibilities. But the beauty of the bread is you can absorb all that butter sauce that's left over and enjoy it. I hope you like that, guys. Please like, share and subscribe. You can follow me on Facebook, Snapchat and Instagram. Got any comments or suggestions, just leave them at the bottom and I'll see you all next time.